This summer was not planned, at least not like this. But sometimes life has a way of gently or not so gently pushing you back to yourself. Will I go into details? Absolutely not. Just know that I've been learning to sit with my own silence and also drowning it out when I need to. Some days healing looks like reflection. Other days it looks like being outside till 6 a.m., laughing with my friends, drinking some liquor, and remembering I'm still alive. And then here comes the guilt. Wondering if this is really me or if I'm just trying to distract myself from the feeling that my life is a mess. I don't know. But what I do know is that I've made mistakes. I've gotten into some messy things, but I've also been soft and honest and real with myself in ways I didn't even know I needed. This isn't a story about heartbreak. This is a story about finally choosing me again and again. Even when it's uncomfortable, even when it's loud, even when it doesn't feel right, even when I don't have all the answers yet. I don't really have the words to explain this chapter. All I know is something had to shift. I needed space to hear myself again, to figure out what I want outside of anyone else's expectations or presence, outside of anyone else's advice. I've just been learning to trust myself and to make decisions without asking for a second opinion. And even if I regret it later, at least I know I made the call, and I'm okay with that. This chapter has been rough. I fumbled, I've been impulsive, I've been quiet, but I've also been trying. Really, really trying. And some days I feel amazing. Other days I feel like I'm faking it, but I know I'm not. I've just never had to heal like this before, and it's awkward and freeing all at once. And that's why I've been gone. I didn't want to show up online pretending everything was fine when it wasn't, and I felt like I couldn't come back unless I was coming back as my full, authentic self. And for a while, I didn't even know how I wanted to come back, or even if I wanted to come back at all. There's been a lot of conflict between doing what I love and protecting my peace. But I think I'm figuring out that there's room for both. So no, this is not some big announcement. This is just where I'm at right now. And I felt like I couldn't move forward without letting all of that out. And maybe I won't always be here, but while I am, I'm giving myself permission to feel it all and just take it all in. So, welcome to my single summer. I'm outside, but I'm also inside. Healing, growing, going with the flow, and seeing where the flow takes me. Let's see how long this lasts.
Hey all, today is our second content day. We have Andel in the building.
Strike a pose.
Watch him. Oh brother. Of course we have Neil.
More.
So yes, because we were waiting on Neil for 2 hours, I ended up getting a brownie and some water.
15 minutes.
Alright, 12:44. No, cause them want proof.
Do the maths. Do your maths.
No, don't
No. After Neil, I grew
Those are
up in
personal
a...
messages.
Me not beef me.
Okay.
You said 11 a.m. About 12 o'clock Neil just
don't
to
show
come
them
out for the tour.
Just don't show them when I was in the toilet.
Well, they know now, because I ain't cutting it out. They know now. Basically, we're gonna be test driving. When him? Buy your dream. When him?
Buy your dreams.
Buy your dreams car.
That's what this fun stand for?
So yeah, something like that.
You buy your
A
dreams.
bird, me I call it.
A bid me I call it. Some buy your dreams car.
Go buy your dreams.
We're gonna test drive. Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. So Neil has us taking pictures. When I have none, I need oh my god, when I have no words.
Okay guys, we're in the middle of a shoot right now.
Right.
Content day.
Right.
I'm gonna lose my wipe off.
No, I don't. You're just blind.
What?
What's wrong with the eye?
Whichever wipe off.
Where want to wipe off, Neil? The screen?
Where?
Go, pick one.
Puppy got the
So you look like a Miami doll.
We are here in Miami. Looking for the hoochie daddies. A 5 million reason?
I went in the bank yesterday and somebody said, shut up in the bank, you know?
No, they keep saying it to me. I feel disrespected. I never think it will go that viral.
I didn't know either. Hi guys, so this is what we'll be driving.
Because them done know say Anela mish. Yeah, me. Once I'm gonna try to take her out of the bimmer.
From my BMW to a BYD.
It's so cute.
Yeah, I haven't been pressing the gas or the brake. All we're going to do is go and test out the acceleration.
Ready?
G-force pull. Oh my god!
I know I felt my heart in my ass.
Get the BTS.
Where was phone? Where take your phone from me?
Use your phone now, because you give my
Yeah,
phone.
nah, I'm gonna take it.
I get it from Hold on. Me know some me I go. Empty space. I'm leaving. I need to know so the phone looking at me.
Me need to know, yeah.
No, you need to know nothing.
Working on it.
Hold on.
This clean.
Yeah, that good. One.
Yeah. But bring over your phone. Yeah. Yeah. Is that video already?
Content.
I'm reading this riding. I didn't already know ride ups today.
I'm leaving that in the vlog. We end up at chilling.
Guys, you're not
Neil.
you're not engaging.
Everything Neil take for content. We can't just eat like a food, bro. We're hungry.
What are you doing?
We're hungry.
Alright guys, we're chilling.
Chilling. Shoot to.
What me I do? Watch it.
Shoot to.
Neil. Oh shit, my time
I
to
know
charge.
what I
My
pay
time to
about.
charge. Somebody give me one of those rich cables.
Not what it looks like.
One of. Who could have blocked? Neil. You know what? You.
Neil, listen up.
Oh, wipe it on, no? When them bust.
No, and I see if I have a lick. You're too wicked.
Cause I like.
Joe, it's just a little. Yeah.
What me I do?
Keep flooding. Director Neil.
No, Neil.
Wipe some.
It look too planted, you get me? If you look like you just us, you get it?
That's not funny.
No, I feel like the ketchup packet.
Who is putting a ketchup packet in a mouth
I
corner?
pull it, I say pull that
it's
ketchup
like-
packet.
You not pull nothing. You're eating a nacho.
Perfect.
So that we do.
Pull.
If this ever reach the wrong crowd,
I swear to God.
boom.
I swear to God. That's
What,
not
their
funny.
vlog?
No.
No, if it just.
If you get viral and the wrong set of people see it.
Yeah, it's
Take out the next one.
No, she put bite it on chew, right?
Right, thank you, yeah.
Yeah, and then you wipe it off.
What is wrong with you?
What's wrong with you, bro?
No,
What's
you-
wrong with you?
I didn't say anything.
You're not for say it.
You said bite and Alright. I'm strictly on business.
I'll be like.
I'm standing on business. I'm clocking. It's not clocking.
It's not clocking to you that I'm standing on business? Jesus.
I'm a restaurant.
You're not on TikTok?
But you're parked beside my car.
Damn.
So you wipe it off, man. What's the wipe it off?
We never say wipe off
Your lip.
our leg. We
Your
say
lip.
wipe off your lip, not round your mouth. Put it back.
I just want to catch my inner lip.
The mouth corner and everything.
Oh, it reaching your beard.
Catch me nose too.
Neil, please. That's what the fire mouth corner.
Blush
Beat your face. Hey, you I don't think you've seen me in a while. I actually don't remember the last time you guys saw me. That's it. But I decided to take out the camera. I did my lashes. I think I will have to redo some on this side because I feel like they're gonna fall off. Like, you see that one? I feel like that one's gonna come off. Yeah, they don't feel as secure as they normally do, and I'm not really sure why. But anyways, I'm finally changing this nose piercing. I love this, not piercing, the nose ring. I have another one, and it is a, ooh, I didn't even remember that this is what it looked like. Let me see if I can show you guys. Yeah, it's like a bee. I don't know if I'm gonna love it because it has, oh, it has yellow rhinestones instead of silver, and I'm a silver girl. And is it gonna be too big on my nose? I don't know, I feel like we can make it work. But I want a little change. I have not been able to take this out because I asked the piercer to literally bend it with pliers so it wouldn't fall out, ever.
So I don't even know how I'm gonna take it out right now. And if I can't take it out, I'm just going to leave it alone. But we're gonna attempt. I don't know how. Oh, it hurts. Oh my lord. I can't take it out. Oh my god. I did it! I did it! Hey! So this is what it looks like. Can you even see it? That's what that looked like. Like, you see it been up? I know what the worst thing. If I don't like it, I'm gonna want to put that piercing back, that ring back in, and I don't know if we can do that, but we shall see through Christ who strengthens me. Alright, this one went in with ease. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. Do I hate it? Do y'all like it? Or is it too big? Kind of big. Okay, I'm going. It's not horrible, but I don't love it. I feel like if it was up some more, like the position is weird on it. Like I feel like if it was up some more, I wasn't so close to the edge of my nose. I can't really turn it any other way because I mean that way is not ugly. Well, that's that. Yeah. Good morning, Cham World. Zimi day. I got my hair done. I just reflat ironed it and did my edges. I feel like the middle one a little bit more edge like this, so because it look a little empty. No, I'm not a girl that wears her hair like this. I normally tuck behind my ear. Type shit. Afraid of going to the room. Outside. But anyways, I'm making breakfast. Do I know exactly what I'm making? No. Just know that potato is involved. Well, actually my dad calls it a potato surprise, because you just never know what will be cooked with the potato. So today I'm gonna put sausage, turkey bacon, that's it. I don't have any onions. I really wanted to use onions. Yeah. Voila! Bon appetit. Potato surprise. This is disappointing, not only for you guys but also for me. And I don't know, I feel like every time I come back on YouTube I have some type of excuse, but it's not really an excuse, it's just an explanation. The last video I came back with a bang, you know, I gave y'all a movie, an hour and 20-minute long video. Said I was gonna come back the next week, but let me tell y'all one of the real reasons why I couldn't. I need an external hard drive. I never had one. Yes, all this time I did not have an external hard drive, and because of that I was overworking my laptop. I kept on running out of space. I would have to save what I had in the video and then delete all the clips and then add more, and then my laptop would just keep overheating. Like right now there's a whole red line running through it because of the overheating, etc, etc. So I couldn't film because I couldn't put files on the laptop to edit it, so it just kind of never made no sense. Yeah, it makes sense in my head. It makes sense in my head. See with me. Another reason why I haven't uploaded, because really and truly, if I really wanted to combat that issue, I could. But the reason is because I have entered a new chapter of my life right now, and it's been a little bit confusing for me. The thing is, I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it at all, but I feel like eventually I'm going to have to talk about it because it'll make so much more sense to you guys why I am the way I am right now. But yeah, I am just in a season of figuring out what I want, figuring out what I like, figuring out what I don't like. I felt like I've been on this journey for quite a while, but especially as of recently, it's been more serious. it's been a lot more serious, and I am now in the space where I can completely focus on just Shelby. Yeah, I'm in a place where I've decided to just prioritize myself more, prioritize my needs, my wants over everybody else. Because as I say, in all my other vlogs or couple vlogs, I keep on prioritizing other people over myself. I keep on putting everybody's issues, trauma, problems, whatever over my own. I keep on trying to help people when me myself need help. It was just too much. It was getting too much, and I realized I needed to take back my power, right? And I've been starting to do that. I have just been embracing my life for what it is right now. I know that better is there to come, but it's like on one end or on one hand, yes, I know that better must come, and sometimes you have to go through the storm before the calm, and da 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 da. And then the other hand is like, I'm unworthy of everything good. I don't deserve nothing good in life. Da 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 da. So it's like, based on my mood on that day, it'll be either this, or it'll be either this, or it'll be like this, or it'll just be nothing. And I'll just bed rot. And the amount of things that I have to do, I just don't do them. I end up procrastinating because I think of how many things I have to do, and I just don't know where to start, and I just don't pick a thing, so I just do nothing. And then I get sad about not doing anything because it's like, wow, I wasted an entire day thinking what I should do instead of just getting up and doing. You know, I just feel big and hopeless. Yeah, for the past couple weeks, I have been through a roller coaster of emotions. How is it that, again, on one side, I am not as stressed as I was a couple months ago, but on the other side, I still feel incomplete. I still feel like there is a hole that needs to be filled, and I know what I need to fill the hole, but I just can't get it, or I can't seem to get it, and it is driving me insane, and I feel like I'm grasping at straws. And I know I'm being very cryptic and very vague right now with what I'm explaining, so I probably don't even know what me, like, not even understand what me I try to say. But again, I'm trying to explain without saying too much because I'm not ready to talk about some of the things that's going on. You know, I might not ever be ready to talk about it. I might not ever talk about it, but I know myself. It's also a reason why I didn't vlog, because I just chat too much. Sometimes if I'm in my mood or I'm in my feelings, I tend to vent. I will ramble on and on and on and talk about the situation on and on and on. And then I have to kind of pull myself back and be like, whoa, that's a little bit too much information to be putting on the internet. Too much for people to use and throw it back in your face. Like, maybe not do that. But at the same time, sometimes it just feels good to let it out, especially because I haven't been venting as much to people anymore, as me say. So everything just bottled up, and it's driving me a little cuckoo. But I'm also still learning that it's best to keep a lot of things to yourself and figure out life on your own. I'm trying to learn not to value people's opinions as much as I do, or take people's advice as much as I used to. I don't know if I touched on this on in my last video, but yeah, it's something that I, started to take into consideration more. I don't know, in the past, I felt like maybe my friends who have been through certain experiences, or probably not, or I would just feel like them can give good advice, I would ask them for advice, and then myself, I said, do I really want to take this advice? And I'm like, all right, maybe I'll do it. And then afterwards, I'm like, oh, why did I do that? Why am I just never do a more instead? So, like, I'm trying to be, or I have been more independent with my own decisions. I'm trusting my own decisions more. And I feel a lot better about it. Like, even if I do make a mistake, I said, as I go, at least I did what I wanted to do at the end of the day, and I never regret taking somebody's advice and then be like, oh, Jano, if me just do it my way, then this would have happened. But hey, everything happens for a reason. You live and you learn. Sometimes I don't understand why God lets us learn the hard way, but maybe it's we hard of hearing. Maybe sometimes God gives us the easy way out, and we're like, nah. And we decide to test his faith. So he's like, I got something for that ass. Since you're not here, you're gonna feel. So yes, I have been feeling. But yeah, I think that's just my mini updates, and that would explain why the vlog is kind of all over the place. I low-key wanted to just make this a visual diary, but maybe I'll do that in the next one. I don't know. Summers are just always so annoying. My birthday is in the next, what, 3 weeks? I have zero plans. I never made any plans all year. Honestly, I did want to take a trip out the country, but I don't think that's gonna happen for my birthday. If anything, maybe I'll make it happen later on in the year. I'll probably do a solo trip. I need a break. I just need something. I need to just be alone. I just need to be alone. I don't know. Do I need to be alone? Do I need to be around friends? Like, I don't know what I need. I genuinely just do not know what I need. And I am just in this state of confusion for so long, and it's rotting at my brain. It's eating my brain away, and it's so annoying. It's so annoying. I did my hair the other day, and I loved how it looked when I just did it. But then we got zimi, which I didn't even bring the damn camera and show you guys. Good thing I didn't though, because y'all would have fell in the water. But alas, yeah, I did my hair and everything. It got a little bit wet, and as you can see, now it looks like this. Like, my hair was so tea when I just got it done. Literally all I need to do is just flat iron it though. But just care about her, and I'm PMSing, so there's also that. Anyways, I chat too much. I've been chatting here for 10 minutes, so yeah, bye. In the back of my mind, you die. Is that song good? I didn't know if I said this song good. Anyways, child. Good morning. Take down my hair with me because this is my first time trying. Well, yes, this is my first time trying. Is it? This is my first time trying this little thingy that I got in my head since I got my sewing. My face no wash from morning, so if you see one look at matter in my eye, just mind it. Wait, hold on. Right. Alright. Well, clearly this didn't. I'm pissed off already. Clearly this didn't make it, so whatever. All right, fine, cool. And hold on. Are the curls gonna stay? Did the curls dropped? The curls dropped. That was a waste of my time. What the fuck? What the fuck? I'm just gonna put a little bit of biosync. What the hell? What the hell, man? What the hell? Such a waste of time. To be fair, I didn't put any mousse or anything in it last night, so maybe that's why they didn't perform well. Because what the hell? What the hell? This is embarrassing. I mean, child, this is what I spent my night being uncomfortable for? Are you dead ass? Are you dead ass? It looks like freaking Barbie here. You know, I thought having levers at the back of my head would have been a good idea, but I'm starting to feel like it was a terrible idea. And I feel like I'm gonna go to Cheryl so she can just skin it so I can have it out of the way. Like, I don't like having it out anymore. Or probably I can just skin it myself. Yeah, make a try. Just do that because spray a little bit of my leave-in spray back there. Yes, that's kind of cute. Or not, whatever. Anyways, guys, my birthday is in, I'm gonna say 15 days, so 2 weeks or so. And I have no plans. I
you know, I'm gonna really do the birthday thing. I'm gonna like disappointments. I don't want nobody plan nothing for me. I don't know. I just can't. But I just don't want to be disappointed. So I'm not really looking forward to the birthday. I just want the day to come and pass. Yeah, it's a very different year for me. I have not been alone for my birthday for like 5 years. So not like it made much of a difference, but you know. Yeah. Anyways. Hey guys. Long time no see. So I'm going to the beach today. It's more of a work beach trip, if you may. So yeah, I'm waiting to get picked up right now. It is currently 11:23 a.m. I'm assuming we're going to Ochi. I'm not driving, so I'm just a girl. I don't need to use my brain today, thankfully. But yeah, this is the outfit of the day. Just this top that I got from Shein. Well, it was a set, but I didn't want to wear the bottoms. Actually, I don't know where the bottoms are. That's why I'm not wearing them. So I decided to wear these bottoms that I got from Kitty Designs, which was also a set. This is the top for it, but I don't want to wear that. So, you know, look at yellow. Yeah, I'm gonna look at shorts. Yeah, please. I can't reach them already. Okay. Wow. And there. So I was contemplating if I wanted to wear these sandals or wear my yellow ones. Kind of feel like I should just wear the yellow ones. Oh, Enzo's gonna be here by himself. Come, Enzo! Enzo, come! Hi! Hi, baby! Hi! Leave my slippers. Leave it. I swear, the hardest parts of my days is when I have to leave Enzo here. I despise leaving him, but I can't bring him. The other foot in the car now. Can I really be bothered with all of this right now? Ow! Stop biting me! Guys, give me a second. Hey all. I'm at the river. Where are you? In online school. Gonna discuss how to make millions in the next few months. Right? They can't teach me this guy. I feel like gotta go use me as an example. The one time scam.
Helicopter in the sky. Police car.
Yep.
Thought that I was dreaming when you said you loved me. The start of nothing, I had no chance to prepare. I couldn't see you coming. The start of nothing, ooh, I could hate you now. It's quite alright.
So guys, it's been a very relaxing day. I'm a little bit frazzled. I've been drinking a dragon. I had some jerk chicken and festival and bami. I'm currently at Bamboo Blue, just chilling. A lot of things are in the works. I can't wait to tell you guys plans that I have, but I just have to finalize certain things, plan certain things to the T before I can give you all the tea. Yeah, my nails want to do. Birthday is next week Wednesday. Today's Monday. I think Wednesday or Thursday. I don't know. Which I'm supposed to do a photo shoot this week. I think this is my first time doing a birthday photo shoot. I hope it works out because I'm supposed to do it on Thursday. I need to do my nails before I do that. And if I don't, I'm just gonna have to cut these down, file them, and put on my press-ons. The outfit that I want for my photo shoot is black and silver. So I really wanted black nails, but Republic Beach is also Saturday. And I'm wearing select green, orange, beige. I want a color. And then on my birthday, I don't know if I want black nails. I don't know. I just don't know. I'm just also can't bother because I'm not a birthday girl. But I'm chilling on the beach. I'm chilling, I'm cooling. Anyways, I'm just like go and drink my dragon and ease myself. You guys are so close to my face, but I also have you this close because I want you to hear me properly. And hopefully the breeze is not too much. I have on the noise filter thing on here, so Yeah, bye. Good morning, guys. As you can see, uh, uh, uh. He's hungry. All right, so we're gonna get him his food. It's after 10. This is actually one of the latest he's woken up. Yeah, and I guess you guys are probably saying, Shelby, why is he still there? Here's his food. So the puppy chow. No, so if I use a camera, you have to make sure the background always clean because y'all see everything and I do not know if I like that. So this is how I do his dog food. And I add some water to it. Soak up a little first. And then I give it to him. So his little teeth can develop. I've always hated this. Oh my god. So every time I would watch people's YouTube videos and they have this camera, they're always looking at the screen. They're always looking at themselves. And I always used to wonder, why do they look so weird? Like, why does everybody look so awkward? It's because they're not looking into their camera, but they're looking at themselves. Oh my god, no, my face no wash from morning. I need to go do that. While this food soaks, let's go to the bathroom, shall we? No. You are not coming anywhere with me. You are not coming anywhere with me. Say hello. Say hello to the people. Up. Up. Hello, my sweet boy. I wish you'd stop biting me. That's his slipper, guys. All right. You see, every day he's humping my leg. You need to stop. You have to stop this. Ow! Stop bite me. And so I want to go in my room. I want to go in my bathroom by myself. Him always come in here and run straight under my bed. Whatever, man. Whatever, bro. Do whatever you want to do. It's me and you time. It's me and you. It's just me and you. It's just us two. It's just me and you. I need to restock on a couple things. My Listerine is almost done, but ever since I saw that TikTok where they're saying, you should use it before you brush your teeth and not after, that's what I've been doing. This is the toothpaste that I use. Well, I just started using it. I actually really love the Oral-B, but I don't see any out here, so I'm gonna have to order it on Amazon. The last time I got, when I had it the last time is because my auntie did give me some packs of it, so I had it for a while. Give me a minute. Now, I am also someone that likes to make my face air dry. Anywho, Enzo's food is soaked for the most part. This is his little section. This was my beanbag, but I clearly feel one now. Enzo, come! It's food time. Come. Are you just gonna stare at me for real? Like, do I have any plans for today? I've been feeling so all over the place lately. I have a bunch of clothes that I need to fold and put in my closet and put in my drawers. I need an additional chest of drawer or dresser or whatever because my clothes can't fit. My clothes can't fit in there. And my birthday is next week, Thursday. I decided that I wanted to do a photo shoot and I low-key just want to tap out of doing the photo shoot. I don't know why I'm like this. So the shoot is supposed to be on Thursday. We're supposed to do so. Oh, this a call my phone. Oh, my sister called me. I need to call her back. Yeah, I don't like having to think about the logistics of those things, even though it can be easy. And one of my friends did offer to help me with everything. And I don't know why I'm just not up for it right now. I just need to get a studio. But at the same time, like, do I really need a studio? Like, we can't just get a piece of fabric and do it myself. I need to go to the tailor too because the outfit that I have, the top is a little bit too big, so I need to get that altered. And the tailor that I know is all the way in Mona. No, all the way in Papine. But I really rate that tailor there, so that's why I keep going. And I haven't found another tailor. He's very reasonable. He reminds me of the tailor that I had in Portland, so that's why I keep going. I have promo work to do that I have not done, that I need to do. I don't know why I act like I'm rich, because I'm money that I lose because I'm not doing people in promo. But I need to just get out of this. I need to get out of my head. I need to get out of my feelings. I genuinely cannot believe that I left YouTube for like a month and then I came back with this movie. And I'm going back for the next month. Yo! I'm trifling. I'm trifling. I am trifling. And I want this video to go out tomorrow so I can start a new vlog and post it over the weekend, and then I can start a new vlog. And this is me saying all of this, and I know so I'm not gonna do it. And that's the problem. Also, my friend Neil invited me to this launch, this thing. Whitney and Poco. Well, let me try to read the thing. I don't know if I'm gonna go though. I'm kind of scared. Poco Loco floating bar, 9 p.m. to 12 a.m. I don't know why I am scared. Let me just get my thoughts together, okay? Alright guys, so but I came on the road with my sister and company, and we are oh, what is? Anyways, we're gonna go to M10 for lunch. I really just want a drink. I'm sorry, I just want a drink from M10. Y'all know I love me a brown sugar daiquiri, so that is what I want. Try waiting to sir. No, black. Oh my god, like this camera is so just useful and convenient. I could have done a little lip combo, a little brow, a little eyelash, mascara, something, but who am I gonna bother? I need to wash my leave out. I think that's what's pissing me off. Like my hair, I don't really love how my hair is looking right now. It just feel like how my natural hair would I feel after a while. And I don't know if it's because my hair want cream. Maybe that's why I'm not really feeling the sewing right now, because I feel like my roots are growing out and my hair are growing out and just ugh. At least I'm cute. Why must my sister drive the other way when this is the perfect way to drive? Oh, to the man. Look thicker than water, but you're thicker than two of them. Well, I'm here. I'm not understanding.
Yeah.
Oh, where are they?
Shelby.
Where are you?
May I look party?
Oh, okay. Oh, no, just pass me.
Yeah.
Okay. Streets of half a tree. We're in Clock Tower.
Oh, she look like she gets somewhere.
Everything though. On to the next. Me tired. Me tired. What's it buying for me? Huh? Everything on the shelf, that's right. Hey guys, it's a new day and today is gonna be the start of my quote-unquote birthday maintenance. I don't know how this is gonna go, but you know, whatever, man. Like, let's just do it. Fuck it, let's ball. Okay, my day got messed up because one appointment was supposed to be at 11 a.m. and because it got pushed back to a later time, everything else kind of shift up. So I wanted to go somewhere to do my toes and I was gonna go somewhere to do my nails and bugger. So I also needed to go to the tailor and end up procrastinating and now I'm late. So really and truly, it's 2 o'clock and I'm gonna make my way to do my toes. I think that's what I need to do for it. Oi! Do not go over there. Get off! Is he peeing? He peed. He's been peeing under there. I'm gonna kill him. I don't have the energy to deal with this right now. Guys, I have a box under there with important documents, right? And I'm just realizing that piece of the box wet. Anyways, honestly, I don't have time to deal with Enzo and his shit. So, as I was saying, I wanted to go to the tailor, I wanted to go to request, I wanted to do a bag of things. You know what? I'll just decide what I'm gonna do when I get in the car because we need to check the box. This is how I have to roll up the mat. As you can see, there are pee stains on here because he keeps going out and peeing. But yes, this is the box, right? Under this, and I look wet too, no? Or is it the shadow? Am I blind? I'm probably blind. It's probably the shadow. Watch him. Watch him. Come from under there. I wanted to wear a different color shoe, but every time I wear this bag, I feel like I gotta wear my black Tories. And if that was the case, I would have worn my black shirt. But it didn't. It is what it is. And really and truly, I think I just need to go straight to the nail tech because I don't know how the traffic stay on the road right now. And I don't really live close, so yeah, I think I'm just gonna go. And Enzo know him piss me off, you know. Enzo knows when he's pissing me off. Like, he knew he pissed me off and that's why he's hiding under there right now. I don't business what nobody wants to, but oh my god, no, you're not supposed to yell at your dogs. I'ma yell. Bye Enzo, I love you. Enzo does this thing every time I'm leaving. He pushes his head. He pushes his head out of the balcony. Bye, baby. Bye. I'm sure all of you are asking the same question. Shelby, why are you in a long sleeve? In hot Jamaica? I don't know. It's because I think I'm cute. My hair. May I go to Cheryl weekend so she can put this baby in a side. Actually, no. I'm gonna have to do it myself. Ah! Guys, I will talk to you when I get to the nail tech, okay? Because I cannot focus. Today is my shoot day. I'm off to a very late start and get to go to the tailor and it's 12 o'clock. I need to start getting ready now because I don't know what I'm doing to my hair. So basically I wanted to do, I don't know if you know that new trend that's going on with the cornrows to the side, like it's like a mohawk but with straight hair. Yeah, so this is a versatile part. I haven't worn it in its side part yet, so I wanted to do like 2 little twisties here and then the rest to the side. Don't know how it's gonna look, and if that doesn't work out, then I'm going to find my little bang wig and fling over this sewing because initially that's what I was thinking of using. I was supposed to do my lashes yesterday, but light post dropped down on the lady road and the light gone. So, sack of salt. I didn't get to do my lashes yesterday. But it's okay because low-key, I wanted this to be more an eyeliner focused look. It's just a regular wing. It's just a regular wing. I ain't doing nothing too crazy. That's it. That's all. Right? Right. What else do I have to do? Enzo is in distress because he doesn't want to be in his cage. But I put him in there when I need him to eat. Like,
But gone for a couple hours, I may come back to Enzo vomiting on my carpet. At this point, I genuinely just have to get a new carpet, or I don't think I can have a carpet until he's completely potty trained. I not even know how him eat and vomit up, but the vomit they never look nice. I mean, no vomit looks nice, but that one there, them something that make me squeamish, man. I didn't get to take in the top that I wanted to wear today, so yeah, I just have to go pin it up or use an elastic or something. Ain't nobody gonna see the back of it, and if you are gonna see the back of it, the front will be tied to give the illusion. Okay. I also needed a chair for one of the inspo pics that I'm using, but I don't know if that's gonna be possible. The shoot is supposed to take place within 1 hour. Can I do it? I think so. It's not something that's supposed to be too hard. I also need to charge this camera. That's what's on the agenda for today. I need to find a charger actually. Oh, it's a good thing. See this? My phone needs to be charged. I don't know. All type of things always end up in my kitchen. I don't know why, but alas, here we are. I don't know how this box reach in here, but it reached. I need to shit. Wanna give me a moment. I'm currently getting ready to do my hair. It's 12:30. I feel like I'm just all over the place, off to a very late start, but I'm going to try my best to stay optimistic. And you know, honestly, however this turns out, that's just what I'm gonna have to work with. My room is a mess. All of those clothes that you're seeing back there, let me just put them under the sheets because they need to be folded. I've not used this hot comb in so long, so we're gonna attempt to do this side part.
Goddamn, I love you ain't gotta say a word, keep giving me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody, I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love you.
Alright guys, this is as good as I'm gonna get it, like right here. Not do properly, but whatever, man. Like, anybody looking at close, anybody can see all of that. Only just too close to me, and I just that me can't bother. I don't know. It's fake. It's weave. Yes, it's weave. All right. Aside of that, like, I love how flat the top is. It's literally just this section right here that never really perfect, but everything else is so tea. My hair needs to be washed, and honestly, everything needs to be washed, and I feel like that's why it's not giving me the desired look that I want. It looks a little bit greasy, not gonna lie. It looks a little bit greasy, yeah, but whatever. Everything can be fixed in editing, and I'm an editor, so yeah. So here's the skirt that I'm gonna wear. Well, it's actually a skirt. I believe that skirts should be the size of a belt. Cute. The top is in the car, I believe. I need to find, well, my boots. On the way, I'm gonna stop by Brit Brown and get bracelets because I don't know why I never bought them when I saw them. Anyways, all right. I need other jewelry. Is this still hot? I was thinking of putting these alongside. No, never mind. Can I put one of these? It's a heart. Like 2 hearts. No. By the way, these are what my nails look like. Nothing too crazy. Honestly, if it was up to me, I would just leave them as this base color, but I decided to do a little razzle dazzle. Initially, this was supposed to be on all the fingers, but I don't know me easy if you can, but right? So yes, some little bangle here. I have half hour to get ready. I need to leave my house by 2:30 because the place is a good way away. And the shoot starts at 3. Yeah. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to go anywhere. I just can't be bothered, really. So let me do my quickest beat that I can. I don't want to do it. That's the real tea. I don't want to do it anymore. I never did, if we're gonna be honest. And then on the days like this, the AC does what it feels like.
Hot. I know.
Yeah.
I know.
It does what it wants to do. Whoa, my storage is full. All right, great. Bye. Surprised him not kill me right now, people. Hello. Cause I'm late. Look at my hair. Jesus Christ. Where's the place? We will prevail. Thank God, so I can go fix my hair and shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's episode, we're gonna be doing a little shoot that I don't really want to do, but here I am.
You don't want to do it?
Not really. I have anxiety. And you know, this is not really helping my anxiety. But the same way, since I ain't gonna do anything for my birthday, might as well. Yeah?
Show in the studio.
Thursday. I think.
So it's a birthday shoot.
Yeah. Really? Huh?
I didn't know. Yeah.
BGI baddies.
Socks is the key.
The key, right?
Putting on these bootaloots. Take it alone. Sit here. Hi, Simi here. And alright, chat. Now I have these. And I have this. I low-key like this. So let's see how this will go best.
How y'all doing?
I'm wondering if I should make a reel.
You should.
That's a BTS.
Okay, Ento on the DG. This is cute. Triple top to change. Oh, bomba. Yes, people. Yeah.
Skirts must be the size of a belt.
Right.
Okay.
That's a theme for this summer.
Yeah. Try it.
Yeah. I like a short skirt. This is explicit. People.
It's a balloon.
Feel secure. Right, man. I mean, I'm thinking about, you know, sometimes you're too thick and you have to make some adjustments. Alright.
Because which black line? The shutter speed too fast, bro.
Rumple still skin.
I kept telling you to turn your foot out.
Bitch, I was trying.
I know.
Damn.
Like your face isn't the focus. As a matter of fact, your face looks the best here.
Yeah, all the bottom.
That's
yes.
the better face.
No, we're turning that slow. You mean little cuties? Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna have to go see it because if I come around, I cannot come back.
That's the last one of that face.
Yes.
How does it feel to be here today?
Feel. At least I'm good with it.
You're already there, girl. You can't go no further. Your facial expression alone you need to fix it.
Because I was just not going to do anything for my birthday because I don't like birthdays.
Oh, really? Damn, that's sad.
But I share your sentiment though.
You know, it's a little bit morbid, but you know, it's what it is. That's the truth. This is right. No, you shouldn't tell me that.
Said go and cry again. No.
But you don't believe in them vision.
Yeah. This is take 2.
No bad. Also ATL. Oh, wait there. When Nicki Minaj pose, me have to give the people them.
Hurry up and move.
Step back. What the ear thing will just look like this? Yeah. No, like one strap like a job. Strap on the side here.
I know them minutes they're done still, and you probably have 45
How
seconds.
is it still recording then if the minutes are done? Explain that now.
Alright, y'all. As you can see, that's a wrap. Big up, Skull. Yeah. Wouldn't be possible without y'all. Without y'all. Big up yourself. Big up my stylist, my all of them. OG. Yeah. And yeah. That's it. That's all. I'm ready for my yard. Need a full body massage. That's it. That's all. I'm out. Bye.
Guys, I'm literally back from the shoot. Didn't even get to show you guys the makeup because I was rushing. I was even late. But yeah, this is what the face looks like. Mind you, it's probably after 9, almost 10 p.m. right now, and I got there around after 3, so makeup due from about, I'm gonna say 2:33, and this is still what it's looking like. It don't look too bad, but you know, up close you see the imperfections, but I still feel like for that many hours and doing as many things that I was doing, yeah, I think it's not bad. I think it's not too bad. Yeah, saying. Honestly, the pictures came out so good. Like, at first I was a little bit doubtful because I could not do some of the poses. I am not flexible. Honestly, I overestimated myself. And I underestimated the poses. That I didn't even realize how many things went into photo shoots. I should have stretched. I should have done all of that before, you know, but yeah, I think I'll talk to you guys more about that tomorrow because both my SD cards are full. I do not have the patience to change any of them right now. And yeah, I'm getting ready to go to sleep. I'm literally trying to clean up my bed, change my sheets, wipe off my face, wrap up this hair, and call it a night. Okay? Okay. It was great talking to you guys today. See y'all tomorrow. Oh, I even collected my Republic Beach outfit. But yeah, me showing you that tomorrow. So, bye!